Translink NI railway service to Portadown. This train calls at Helens Bay, Seahill, Cultraw, Marino, Hollywood, Sydenham, Titanic Quarter, Belfast Central, Botanic, City Hospital, Great Victoria Street, Adelaide, Balmoral, Finicky, Dunmurray, Derryachi, Lambeg, Hilden, Lisburn, Moira, Lurgan, and Portadown. The next stop is Helens Bay. This train is for Portadown. The next station is Seahill. The next stop is Sea Hill.
Well, then you come back and you're like, well, I'm here for you. You know what I mean? Like, what am I going to take here either? I wouldn't do that again next year. He goes, like, he goes, it's fault as well, you know. It is a possibility, certainly. That's a year. 2 years over that. Pretty crazy. It would sell his mobile phone with that. But I don't know if it's double mobile. You need to get a double mobile. It must be even crazy to work. But you need a double mobile. Why don't you even caravan with him? Or is his friend with him? Well, how close is it on their site? In his yard? Or is it horrible? Like,
This train is for Portadown. The next station is Control.
My only concern is, like, I'm talking like this about that I know I have to do that. It's that if I do get a place in the second Glasgow, how would he take a foreign house on something? Would he live to get my British car? And to be honest, I don't think I would want to spend like double rent on a house that I made. I might if I love the house, you know, keep it. But Lauren, why don't you? I really think the caravan would be off summer, and then if you're really like, it could be really nice. They could stay there with it. It would be so happy with it. You're gonna love that. Like, I might have been big on the car. We love it. He's helped her with the no, she's long enough. So now he gets more money from the bills instead of profit. What do you think? What that idea? Get more of a hobby. She is fascinating. So like she likes. Oh no, I said we're going from Hillsay to Central, maybe more third.
The next stop is Control. This train is for Portadown. The next station is Birmingham.
The it might not, like, we play our friends. I think he was like, when I did it, yeah. You could love it up, you love that. I like it up there, yeah. The Dill, they probably just, how would you like Dill? There's a way, you know, like, so there we found houses there, and then you go into the left, there you are, this is near you are, like, you know, it's like, but you have to, there's a have to grasp, like, very fast of it. So, like, when I said that, and you can say there, you're here, but I would do that. I think where you are, anyway, there's like a big thing with that road. There's like a really big, like, almost like
The next stop is Marina. The next station is Hollywood. The next stop is Hollywood. This train is for Portadown. The next station is Sydenham.
Yeah, you could do the whole thing. You could read the whole thing. Yeah, you already saw this. I think it's jump on that. Because he always says that's what already given away. It's all falling apart, like, all of it. We need to go in there and take Like, are you thinking of work? I like it. Kids are the only personal, but it's like, I like it. And but what about the lady? Well, I just realized that the like that that's the idea that about you're not paying this coming out. You're not paying the last percent again. The game is here, and then the stair place is here. There's a gap here, so one person could sit like here. You know what I mean? They have to have a stairway, then another person on the floor. So you might as well have that capacity on the whole like that line, rather with some places you want to sit in as a work community, because otherwise it's just like nobody can really song. I do think we should. I think we should maybe build a high or put on half of it. I think it's really not a chair. So I really want to small that place. And we could stop in the work here. I'll say because you I know all the stuff all is one.
The next stop is Sydenham. Please alight here for George Best, Belfast City Airport. This train is for Portadown. The next station is Titanic Quarter.
I just like to see what's wrong. We'll probably be on the train for 10 minutes. The only problem is none of us have internet. We don't have internet. It's all like I like that. Yeah, I really want to make Charlie for lunch. I really don't think it's Laura and Charlie. We're going to make it for lunch. Not another.
The next stop is Titanic Quarter. Please alight here for the SS Leorina and Titanic Belfast.
As well as that,
This train is for Portadown. The next station is Belfast Central.
Just it's an awful lot of leather, you know, like flights. Claire says he wants travel money, that's what I'm saying. It would be perfect. I didn't know where that's because I didn't have her. I've never really talked about it. You know, when anyone else I'm sure I can still do. I don't see why not. Yeah, there's some kind of even if you get around 500 on the work there, 200 a month. I just keep well, he said he gets everyone on the terrace. That's TV. It's to save away the different watching the actually series and stuff on the TV. And that's really nice. I would love to work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, regardless of the time. I was to work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but it was kind of week. Is it? No, they are. I like the fire. Yeah, well, I'm only working Friday, Saturday, but I'm still getting maybe 4 in the 2 days. Like, still paid. So then you have to bear in mind, that one is coming up with the team towards bills and travel. So if you well, this week I'm working. So this week I'm not getting to insurance because the main income is not work. So it's on 23rd. Next week is 6th. This week, that's how full bill. There's no clothes in the body. I'm filling it back in January, but 13th. 42. Today's not what I can but and what else? Traveling. So it's taking it and we're starting to see some here. You know, and like my work asked like, you know, sort of like I said at the time, about the race class off my first people from the person who got the race
The next stop is Belfast Central. Please change here for cross-border Dublin, Derry rail connections and bus connections to the city centre. Please mind the gap between train and platform when leaving the train. Botanic, City Hospital, Great Victoria Street, Adelaide, Balmoral, Finicking, Dunmurray, Derryatty, Lambay, Kilburn, Lisburn, Moira, Lurgan and Portadown.
It's just I'm panicking because this is week 7 and it's in a fortnight's time. I'm not only just continuing to do the presentation, I will look forward. Goes by work, the girl has appendix in a sense. What about you? Really just want to know? Sure was it?
Sí, sí, sí.
I think it's so expensive. Is this? You know what's it? Oh, right. Oh, I need to pay for checkups. Joke. Expensive. Exactly. She's a
The next stop is Botanic. Please alight here for Queen's University.
No, porque ya te digo, yo hablo con los padres de bastante y hubiera dicho. A algunos les pregunta yo directamente y van a
This train is for Portadown. The next station is City Hospital. The next stop is
Es lo que
City
estamos hablando.
Hospital.
Si alguien no quiere, pues no le van a dar el equipo a quien no quiere, me refiero. Sería al revés. Porque lo acordado era lo que habíamos hablado. Vale. Hombre, claro, es que yo me he ido y he dejado de hacer el equipo hecho completamente. O sea, que si yo no voy a servir, no me muevo ni nada.
This train is for Portadown. The next station is Great Victoria Street.
Me refiero que... Claro, yo la entiendo. Sí, yo eso lo entiendo. Pues era probable. Es más, yo en Navidad cuando he llegado estaba yo hablando con Sergio y hemos estado hablando de que yo iba a hablar a algún chaval tal para que me traiga las elecciones. Le he dicho, yo le voy hablando si quieres tal y él me ha dicho, sí, vete hablando de tal, que comenta, no sé qué. No sé qué es extraño, no sabes, ¿no? Pero,
The next stop is Great Victoria Street. Local bus services are available from this station.
sí, pero por el motivo que sea, pero si se ha acordado X cosa, si no le puedes dar el equipo a Sergio, me refiero. Claro, lo que tendríamos que hacer es estar juntos, él y yo juntos. Y si alguien no quiere estar juntos, pues ese tendría que ir, digo yo, de ese equipo. Claro, yo le he dicho, que le he propuesto cómo podríamos trabajar, claro, él también me dijo, porque el trabajo del seguro que es casi igual que lo de dinero y el entrenador físico bastante parecido a la y él me ha dicho que está muy bien, pero él tiene que entonces yo le he dicho, si le parece bien, si a mí también, ir al club tiene que poner. Había dicho que lo que acordé con vosotros era que íbamos a hacer. Está diciendo, si yo tuviera que elegir, elegiría a él. Pero si no llegamos a acordar, pero lo que hemos acordado